I keep hearing a lot of people talk about how they're doing creative deals and wholesaling is dead. I'm going to go ask my team how many wholesale deals we did in the last 30 days. How many wholesale deals did you do in the month of February?
Closed 14. We did one creative, and then the rest were just typical wholesale ones.
How many wholesale deals did you do last month?
Last month, 3 this week, 2 last week, probably around 9. All wholesale.
Nathan, how many wholesale deals did you do in the last month?
21?
How many of those were like creative type deals?
None.
Holy cow. How long have you been working here?
Just about 2.5 months.
How many deals have you done in those 2.5 months?
I've done 2 deals.
You did a couple big deals.
I did. I had a 21 ripper.
How long have you been working here?
Just over 3 months.
How many deals did you do last month?
9 deals.
Did you have any wholesaling experience when you started working here?
I didn't even know what wholesaling was.
How many wholesale deals did you do last month here?
5 deals?
How many of those deals were creative deals?
None of them.
How many wholesale deals do you do last month?
We did like 7 or 8.
And how many were creative deals?
2 actually.
Whoa, we're fired up. What are we fired up about?
Friday deals, baby.
Pedro, how many wholesale deals did you do last month?
8. We got one fat innovation deal, though. All wholesale.
Come on, man.